What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all, it is Damon here from DecoExchange. Y'all, we're gonna make an all black and white dog wreath. All right, so we have our wreath frame. This is also some, I'm gonna say it's value mesh. You can see right through it. We're gonna use that. Y'all, we also used an oversized sign, so we'll see how that goes. With the mesh, we're gonna start on the top of the frame. You want to make sure you get it nice and tight in there. Measure to every other twist and then pull it back and add it to the twist. It's called monochromatic, when everything's just the same colors. So everything on this wreath is going to be black and white. All right, so we went all the way around the top. Y'all, we're gonna go straight down to the bottom of the frame and keep going around. 10-inch poofs around the bottom as well. All right, so we went all the way around the top with 10-inch poofs, all the way around the bottom with 10-inch poofs. Y'all, we don't make them perfect because we cover most of them up, right? So this is just to give us a really good base frame. So let's get our 10-inch mesh out. Y'all, so this is a 10-inch mesh. This is a solid black with a white snowball stripe in it. This one is a fabric mesh. We're gonna cut them about 20 inches long, and we're gonna need one ruffle for every twist. So we're gonna need 9 cuts total, which will give us the 18. So now we're gonna take each one of our cuts. We're gonna just curl it up a little bit on each end, and then ruffle it right down the middle, and then add one of those ruffles into every twist on the frame. Y'all, that little curl on the end helps hide some of that fraying mesh. Y'all, we went all the way around the bottom. Now we're gonna go to the top. All right, so let's continue to ruffle up our 20-inch. All right, so there's our base, nice and pretty. All right, y'all, our sign is pretty big. All right, it's not coming through the front, we're good. We'll put a pipe cleaner on all 4 corners. Twist that off. So we're gonna start with our 4-inch. All right, so we're gonna do a 10-inch tail, pinch it, give it a little twist, measure out about 6.5 inches. Turned out to be 7, it'll be fine. Y'all, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this black and white check. All right, this one, we're gonna do about 5.5. Now y'all, I'm gonna take this one that matches the 4-inch and just do a single strip. Y'all, let's go with the black and white check. I'm gonna use this polka dot with the black edging because it matches this ribbon that we used earlier. Y'all, I'm gonna put a single strip of this one right in here, because why not? And then we're gonna finish it off with a 1.5 inch dog paw. Gonna slide the bow out, wrap my pipe cleaner right around the middle, give it a push down with my thumb and between my two fingers, and then give it a twist. So this sun is pretty big compared to normal, right? So let's get this attached. So y'all, we're just gonna run those pipe cleaners right through the mesh and then wrap it around the wire frame. So we've got our sign, we got our giant bow. So I'm just gonna run the pipe cleaners through the mesh and wrap the bow right around the frame. All right, y'all, so far, this is what we've got. So we're gonna add more up here and some more, I don't know where else, but I know we need one more bow for sure. All right, we're gonna start with 10 cuts all the way around the base. All right, so there's our 10 2.5 inch tails. We do these at 14 inches. All right, let's measure out these. So y'all, in every one of those twist ties where we put a ruffle earlier, we're gonna go ahead and add a set of tails. So we just fold these in half and then add those into the twist all the way around the bottom. You can get the ribbon boards at DecoExchange.com. Y'all, let's trim our tails up. Y'all, I know that wreaths with all the ribbon are not everyone's thing, but y'all, they're what sell best for me and for my customers. So the more bows and ribbon that I can add, the more they buy. That doesn't mean that your customers like it or that you like it, and I'm okay with that. Y'all, all I'm doing is folding the ribbon in half and cutting it at an angle. All right, y'all, lots of black and white, lots of ribbon, bark less, wag more. Y'all, I can think of a few dogs and people that should take that advice. Go check out damonsmantle.com and check out Parker's face. While you're there, sign up, join us, and sponsor a few gifts, y'all. Y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.